Welcome to Raisins.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, click the Social Sciences tab and choose Reliability and Validity. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Results tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the question. Select all those items corresponding to a single factor. Next, select the Variables column. If any of the selected items are reverse-scaled, you can select them. If you have no reverse-scaled item, keep the column blank. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. In the Internal Consistency tab, you will get Cronbach's Alpha Overall Statistics Table Reliability if an item is Drop Table, Item Statistics Table, Split, Half Reliability Table, 10 Bridge Statistics Table. And AI interpretation is also available. Raisins Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. In the Inter-Rater tab, you will get Flies, Kappa Statistics Table, Intra-Class Correlation Table, and Krippendorff's Alpha Method. In the AI Interpretation tab, Raisins Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. In the Krippendorff's Alpha Method table, you can change the normal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Content Validity. In This tab, Content Validity Ratio and Content Validity Index are available. First, select rating that considers the item important. For Content Validity Index, first, select CVR threshold. In the AI interpretation, Raisins Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. Construct Validity. In this tab, Factor Diagram, Confirmatory Factor Analysis, and Fit Measures are available. The factor diagram is highly customizable. Label color and sizes, layout and rotation types, and more can be customized seamlessly. Explore in this tab, Exploratory Factor Analysis Results. Factor Loadings and Correlation Table is available. You can download the tables in CSV, Excel, and PDF formats. Also, the values can be copied. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Plots tab. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. If you have any doubts, click FAQs. Get started with Raisins.live and make your data speak.